The heart of every control system is a PLC, or Programmable Logic Controller. The PLC is behind most of the products and industries. If you are an engineer or an engineering student, learning how to program a PLC is a very important skill set. It will take you to a very rewarding career. The water in your tap, behind it is a water treatment process, which involves control systems. The electricity in your household came from power plants. The power generation process involves control systems. The fuel that is running our cars and industries. The oil exploration, extraction, and refinery involves control systems. The multivitamins and medicines that you get from pharmacies or hospitals. Manufacturing it is a very stringent process, which involves control systems. In this course, we will be teaching you how to program a PLC in a universal approach, that you will be able to program your PLC logic development on paper. We will be using function block diagram PLC programming language because it is used by most of the big industries like power generation, water treatment, oil and gas, pharmaceutical, and petrochemical industries.